So, you want to switch to Linux but don't know where to start? Don't worry, I got you. Here are 5 beginner-friendly Linux distros that are actually easy to use. Number 5. Zorin OS. Zorin looks very similar to Windows, so you'll feel at home instantly. It's clean, smooth, and perfect if you don't want to learn everything from scratch. Number 4. Ubuntu. This is probably the most popular Linux distro out there. It has a huge community, tons of tutorials, and most apps just work without Shackle. Number 3. Linux Mint. If you're coming from Windows, Mint is one of the easiest transitions. It's stable, lightweight, and honestly, it just works. Number 2. Pop_OS. Pop_OS is great for performance and even better if you have an NVIDIA GPU. It feels modern and fast without being complicated. Number 1. Manjaro. Manjaro gives you the power of Arch Linux but without the pain. You get access to tons of software with a much easier setup. At the end of the day, the best Linux distro is the one that works for you. Try a couple of them and see what feels right. And if you want more simple Linux tips, don't forget to subscribe.